Tired of clunky real estate software? Let's unlock the power of Reipro with a free account and see how it can streamline your business. First, navigate to the Reipro website. The link is in the description below. Look for the prominent Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner or center of the homepage, and click it. You'll be directed to the registration form. Enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Then, create a strong and secure password, making sure it meets the criteria specified on the form, like minimum length or required characters. Before submitting, carefully review the terms and conditions and the privacy policy A circumflex euros. Understanding these is crucial. Tick the checkbox to indicate your agreement. You might also encounter a CAPTCHA to verify you are not a robot. Complete it as instructed. Congratulations, your free Reipro account is now active. You'll be taken to your dashboard. Explore the features available in the free plan. Keep in mind, free accounts often have limitations, such as restricted access to certain tools, limited property uploads, or feature lockouts. To unlock the full potential of Reipro, consider upgrading to a paid subscription. Click on the Upgrade or Pricing button, usually found in the Settings menu or on the dashboard. This page will display the different subscription tiers and their respective benefits. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and follow the payment instructions. With a paid subscription, you'll gain access to all features, unlimited property tracking, advanced analytics, and much more, boosting your real estate game. Now you're ready to succeed with Reipro.